Today's topic is simple ways to remove gutta percha from root canals. You can use different methods to remove GP from canals like heated instrument, H files or retreatment files, or you can use GP solvents also. Before starting the procedure, first evaluate the IOPR carefully. Look for the type of preparation done earlier. If there is wider preparation of canals, H files can be used freely as compared to narrow preparation. When you try to use H files in narrow preparation, H file can get engaged in walls instead of gutta percha. This can lead to more complications. In such cases, GP solvent should be used to soften the GP and then use H files. Some of the missed canals can be present, but be sure that you are not putting H file in unprepared canal, otherwise it will separate. Then take an idea about length of roots and how much the obturation is short or beyond apex. Many times because of crown preparation, working length is little less as compared to normal. We can take radiographs in between also, otherwise if you push H file or rotary file beyond gutta percha, it can lead to instrument fracture or ledge formation or sometimes apical transportation. After radiographic evaluation, first try to remove the old restoration and clean the chamber with sodium hypochlorite. All the orifices should be clearly visible to you. If there are remnants of sealer, clean them. If there is any caries present, remove it. Sometimes gutta percha cones were not neatly cut during obturation and hindering the vision to access the canal. In such cases, take a hot burnisher and remove them, or you can use ultrasonic scaler also. Once all the orifices are clearly visible, then use hot plugger or orifice shaper to make some space in canal opening so that H file can go and engage in GP. Selection of H file is also important. A very large size H file will not go inside the canal, while a small size file like number 15 or 20 can break easily. So use a sturdy number 25 or number 30 for narrow preparation and number 35 or number 40 for wider preparations. Engage the H file with gentle pressure and pull it back. Don't screw it in too much, otherwise you will not be able to pull or it can lead to file fracture. Try this multiple times as this technique has capability to take out the whole GP in one go as compared to retreatment files or solvents where it come out in parts. Then you can use orifice shaper to slightly enlarge the canal orifice so that H file can be easily placed. If H file doesn't work, then use GP removal files, that is retreatment files, but these files work only in wider preparations. Various systems are available from Money and Dentsply, etc. While using these files, keep two things in mind. First is speed should be as per recommendation and don't put any pressure. Have patience during GP removal. Ledge formation and perforation are the commonest complications. In narrow preparation, use GP solvent instead of rotary files. One more thing, the main aim here is to negotiate the canal till working length rather than to remove the gutta percha. Once your 10 number K file will reach there, remaining gutta percha can be easily removed during canal preparation. GP solvent should be used as less as possible because they can impair periapical healing. Keep irrigating the pulp chamber and canals as this will improve visibility and help in dissolving the remaining debris in canals. Thank you.